What is up, you shoe fanatics? My name is Izzy, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial on how to cop the tomorrow's Supreme Week 16 Box Logo Crewnecks, which will be releasing tomorrow at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. I think 11 a.m. PT. Anyways, guys, I just want to apologize for the inactivity. Last week, I got really sick and just wasn't motivated. These past 2 weeks, I've been uploading and stuff. And then, obviously, upcoming week right now, I have finals for my school and stuff, so I just been really busy. Anyways, guys, I appreciate all the support. You guys got me to 450 subscribers. I'm still trying to hit 500 subscribers before the new year starts. So, guys, just 50 of you who check out my stuff, just make sure you guys subscribe. If any of you guys are new to my channel, all I really do is just make tutorials and try to help you guys out with sneaker reviews and even do some bot reviews as well. Anyways, guys, let's get into the video and let's get started on week 16 Supreme. Alright, guys, so you guys might or may not know, tomorrow we'll be releasing the Box Logo Crewnecks sweatshirts in 9 different colorways. According to some news that I've heard, I guess they're going to be over manufacturing these box logos. Not necessarily true or not, but this is something that I found out through Twitter. So tomorrow's might be an easy cop. Not necessarily easy, but it might be a little bit easier. I do recommend you guys going manual. I'm gonna be showing you guys what I do on my method on my phone in just a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys after this little quick preview of this week's drop. So obviously, guys, box logos are gonna be the number one thing that's gonna be reselling if you are a reseller or copying it for your personals. I am gonna be going for this tomorrow, regardless of the situation of me having my accounting class. And then obviously the reflective camel down jacket and the pants are gonna be another thing to probably resell or just to keep in personals. I personally do love this colorway right here, which is the orange kind of ish kind of color. Everything else, guys, isn't for me. No disrespect to any of you guys who like to copy anything else off Supreme, but obviously, the box logos are gonna be like a quick sellout, as well as the jackets and the pants. And then, regards to the upcoming bot that I've been using lately called NSB, I just want to give a huge shout out to Nike Shoe Bot right now. Right now, I need an installation, but this bot has been giving me so much success. I definitely recommend you guys purchase this as an investment, especially if you are good with bots. This bot is somewhat easy to use, isn't too hard at all, and the creators are super chill and nice, as well as the people that are in the community in the Discord. So, huge shout out to Cypher and Nanik for creating this bot, and then definitely letting me do this beta test from the day one, because I definitely was been supporting them from day one. So thanks again, guys, for making this bot and making it so easy for most of the community to cop and stuff. I also want to give a shout out to the bot called Trip.io. Now, I have been using it. I just haven't been using it as much often because I've been so busy. That's another recommendation that I would use is definitely use bots, but like I said, actually go also manual because I know Supreme has been changing a little things in the past couple of weeks and stuff. I got lucky and got a couple headbands last week, so this week obviously I'm gonna be going for the box logos. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to manually cop this, and also there's a video that I'll be linking down in the description on how I use my Chrome extension. So it pretty much just does autofill for you when you guys are doing it manually. And pretty much what I would recommend is, wait about a second or two until everything's said and done. Because if you check out too fast, Supreme checks that out, and then you'll probably be banned. If not, they'll decline your payment. So just a heads up, guys. Make sure that tomorrow's drop that you guys are very careful. You're fast, but not too fast, because you will get declined or you will get banned. So just a little heads up like that. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna show you how I use my stuff on the app on my phone. So that's another way I usually get my stuff. So here you go. Alright, guys, so first things first is what you want to do is go ahead and open up the Supreme app real quick. And all you want to do is when it's 9:58, 9:59, just keep refreshing your page until finally you click on the new. The new items are going to be listed right here. Obviously, if you are a new user or a previous user, I should say, make sure you guys definitely go ahead and have your information already saved. So I'm going to block my information when I click something. So when you add something into your cart, you're just going to click add to cart, check out really quick, and then your information is going to be listed already just like mine is shown here, but I'm going to be having that blurred out. Now, what I recommend what you do for the credit card number is put your credit card information on the side of the thing, whatever, in notes, text messages, copy it, and I'm gonna use this as an example. This is obviously fake, guys. I just pasted it right into it. Just remember your CVC. This is usually number. It's really easy too. So just put anything it is, and then obviously the month and the year. and then have that, and then you might have capture protection. You might have to solve some couple of things, and then process your payment. So that's pretty much how easy it is to actually use the app and cop it. I definitely recommend you don't use Wi-Fi. I'm using Wi-Fi right now because I'm at my house, but I definitely recommend you use just your USL your data because I do know for a fact that you connect faster. So just a quick heads up, and then obviously on the site it's gonna be crashing, so using the app is definitely gonna be helping you just a slight little bit better. But I would recommend, like I said, use more people if you're able to have your brothers, sisters, or even friends to go for you online using your iPads, other phones, or even on desktop computers. I definitely recommend you guys doing that. So that was just like a quick little thing. You can also, obviously, like I said, you can copy and paste your credit card information on there. Usually Supreme has it already stored in your information for your billing address and stuff like that, and your shipping. So that's pretty much it, guys. So, anyways, guys, I wish you guys luck on tomorrow's drop. And again, I apologize for being so inactive. I'll make sure I come back and just go ahead and you know, wish you guys luck on the drop. Anyways, guys, my name is Izzy, and I'm out. And stay tuned to the next video. Peace.